Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we apply green screen effect over a video using the green screen key shortcut. In Filmora we can apply green screen using a long cut method that we have already discussed in the previous video, or we can simply use the shortcut which actually allows us to apply the green screen in just a single click. So how do we apply that? First of all, the prerequisites are we need two videos, one normal video and the one green screen video. Green screen video must play over the normal video or like whatever setting you want to keep. So here we have got this normal video and this green screen video. So let's just drag this green screen video over here. To apply the green screen effect, simply just select the green screen video and use the shortcut Ctrl Shift and G. This will bring up the green screen color. Right now it's a light green color. So if you just preview it right now, so as soon as the green screen video starts, there is a blackish tint that is applied. We don't want this tint, so let's just change its color to the dark green color that on which our video is there. Okay, so let's just use this color pick icon and select this dark green color. Then click on OK, and now if you just preview, then you see the blackish tint has gone and normally green screen video is playing over our video using the shortcut method. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.